Overall, pretty cold, but very peaceful day. Kind of a nice day in many ways for this Wednesday. We've had some sunshine pretty much the entire day, varying amounts of that, with some thin clouds overhead, making for some pretty colors at sunrise. This is a picture from near Rochester. Gary Heft sent us this picture, and yeah, beautiful start the day. And now we have thin clouds overhead. Temperatures on their way to the upper teens, not particularly warm, even by mid or late January standards. Typically, this time of the year, we'd be having highs around 24, maybe 25 degrees. Today, we're going to settle for something closer to 17 or 18. Right now it's 15 degrees on the weather patio. The wind's very light though. That makes up for a lot. Not having to deal with rough winds, so it feels like 8 officially right now here at the weather patio and at the airport. 15 degrees at Rochester International Airport. It's 16 in Austin, Osage, Iowa, 19 and 19 degrees also in Winona. Again, in Rochester, a thin layer of clouds overhead. It feels like 8. The air pressure rising. High pressure nearby. Pretty big number there in the barometer. 30.52 inches of mercury, and see some of the very thin clouds slowly thinning out as that high pressure draws a little closer to the area. And one storm system kind of skirts the region to the south, moving into parts of southern Illinois. A little bit of snow, and now moving from Springfield down toward Centralia and Carbondale. But high pressure sticks around our weather picture today and tomorrow, and with that cold sunshine, we're seeing temperatures mainly in the teens across the map. A little colder in St. Cloud. It's 8 degrees there. Minneapolis 12. It's 18 in Escanaba. Here in Rochester 15, and Sioux City now 16 degrees in western Iowa. Sunshine throughout the day. 18 the expected high. We'll have thin clouds for much of tonight. A nearly calm wind that'll turn more to the south later tonight. Temperatures bottom out around 0 or maybe just a degree or 2 below 0. Then climb just before sunrise, in fact. Start seeing that warm air coming in to the area tomorrow, and with that we'll make our way back to around 20 degrees tomorrow. Some sunshine today on future track as we move along through the rest of our Wednesday. Tonight around 0, and then tomorrow some thin clouds begin to roll in late in the day. This is going to be tomorrow afternoon and evening. All those that have an approaching warm front. That's with that storm system that's coming in from the west that eventually will bring, yes, warmer air with it, but also a chance of snow starting midday or even afternoon on Saturday. The possibility of some accumulation there through especially Saturday night into early Sunday. And we'll even see a couple of snowflakes on the backside of the system, perhaps impacting parts of Sunday afternoon, but the lion's share of that accumulation occurs overnight. Another system may come in late next Wednesday into Thursday and may bring some more snow potential to the area. About a week away, though, still with that one. Temperatures today in the teens. Rochester 18 with winds out of the north around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy sky, 1 below 0 with very light northwest winds. And then tomorrow, south winds, a little more of a breeze, around 10, maybe 15 miles per hour. 19 for your Thursday, and then 20s, and we see some low 30s there over the weekend and again next week. Punxsutawney Phil looking at some sunshine in the meantime for Groundhog Day next Tuesday. Ted's Trivia: which U.S. state has the longest border with our friendly neighbors to the north in Canada?
I noticed you did not put Minnesota on that list, Ted.
No, no, that's not one of them.
I believe it is Alaska.
It is Alaska, 1,538 miles, very long. Of course, not just the part where it goes north and south. You have to remember that Alaska has a long panhandle that hugs the shoreline there along British Columbia, so it's quite a long border.
Thank